Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
走马哥呀！
我们来听听客家和世界会碰撞出什么火花。
Hey, what's up? It's time for the World of Hakka here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. Did you know there's a very interesting day about accepting who we are? It's called International No Diet Day. And no, it's not about eating whatever you want, but rather promoting body acceptance, body shape diversity, and most importantly, a healthy relationship with food by rejecting unhealthy diets and weight stigma. Now, it was a movement that was initiated by British feminist Mary Evans Young, who believed that society and media especially has stained our perspectives on who we are and portrayed an image that only thin is the way to go. Now, it falls every year on May 6th, which, by the way, is also the month for Mother's Day. And I wonder if Mei Jiang knows about International No Diet Day, and maybe she can also share with us some of the perspectives from the Hakka culture about women and moms. Hello, Mei Jiang.
Hello， 大家好，我是妹讲。
这个日子5月6号，国际不减肥日，蛮有趣的，有听过吗？
没有听过，但是妈妈听到就会说，中午得干屁，会生饱哦。
真的，母亲都会反而说一定要吃多一点，白白胖胖的才健康，对不对？
妈妈就是非常的关心，还有非常的照顾规则不卡年嘛。那其实呢，阿妹啊，真的是第一传统的客家的家庭地位度非常的重要。我们说客家的妇女呢，会有西条西米、家条高米、整条鲜米、粥条沃米、甜条梯米。
哇，这是四头四尾的意思了。
对，承担起整个家里所有的生计，所以真的是又温柔，不过呢又非常的坚强。
对，
结果呢南部呢，南部有一种法案叫耶合法。
哦，耶和华嘛，
很特别哦。20条的时间会闭起来，入夜之后呢，将会大开了。
对对。
晚上就可以有花香四溢。其实就是形容说客家的女性呢，她们呢白天的时候非常辛勤的做事情，5条这个时间呢，漳州的占偏切嘎。只要分享到呢，有一首诗就是医生诗人郑贵惠欣赏贴撇下给呀哈来形容传统客家妇女，就是非常传统又非常坚毅的美德。
对，刻苦耐劳，然后又要默默的奉献，
没错。
对， Wow, you know, it's about moms and how strong they are in the Hakka culture. So let's go in and teach you some of the phrases that we brought up, including having a diet, 也就是减肥。
干皮
OK, 但不要不健康的干皮 OK 然后再来就是妈妈 mother
阿梅
and finally, the flower that describes woman in Hakka is Magnolia coco, 叶荷花
呀哈法
and there you have it. Accept who you are, and also don't forget, it's Mother's Month. Thank you so much for listening.
什么太嘎？
俺只 say
张磊亮。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.